Is the font on your iPhone sometimes just not big enough? I said big enough. Hi guys, I'm Simon, this is Tech My Life Video and welcome. Whether you're a returning subscriber or new here, thanks so much for watching. It's Tuesday and it's time for a tech tip. So we're going to look at text size on the iPhone. Now you might want to increase the text size because your vision isn't great and you may want it as a permanent change. Or maybe you want it as a temporary change. You leave your reading glasses at home, you need to read something and you want to quickly be able to increase the text size to make it a little bit easier. So let's jump on the phone and check it out. We'll start by jumping into settings and we'll scroll down to the third section, which starts with general at the top. The second item is control center. So let's click on that and we'll start there. Scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll see the items that aren't currently in your control center. Down the bottom, it's in alphabetical order. Text size will be there. Click on the plus, it'll add it to control center. Swipe down from the top right, click on the two A's and it'll bring up the text size adjustment. Now it's got all apps. You see the slider at the bottom, all apps or settings only, and you'll see that in settings only there's a lot more ability to increase the text size. So let's jump out back into settings and we're going to take one step back in settings, back to the main screen, and we're going to click on in that same section, the fifth one down is accessibility. Let's click on that. And then 3 down from the top, display and text size. Click on that. And 2 down from the top, you've got larger text. Click on that. And you've got a toggle here. And down the bottom, you can see there's a little slider. Now, if we toggle that on, you'll see the slider down the bottom now has more ability to increase the size. And if we slide down and click on Control Center, you'll see now both of them have more font sizes they can deal with. What I'm going to do is just jump across to a note that I prepared earlier. Here's one I prepared earlier. It's got the standard font size. If we scroll down and click on the A to get the control center controls, we can slide this up. Now if I slide it up 3, that was 135. That's what it was before I added the extra ability to increase the size. And if we come back out, you can see the font is increased in size. We come into Control Center again, we'll go up a couple more, out, again it's increased, and now we'll go back and we'll bang it up to the maximum, which is gigantic. But depending on your vision, this could be really helpful for you. So there it is, today's little tip. I hope it's been useful. I hope it's helpful for you in the future. Comment down below if it's been helpful. Like the video, all that kind of stuff. Subscribe for tech content and tips like this. I'm Simon. This has been Tech My Life Video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.